Amma, what's going on? My darling, my kitten. You must travel far from me now. Perhaps one day you will understand why I had to do this, what it means for an Amma to lose her only child. You will leave, my dearest son, and realize your destiny. But, Amma, why must I go? There's no time to explain. When the ship draws to land, there you must leave it. Let the 3 pillars be your guide. Amma, please, don't leave me! I will never be far from you. Look to the setting sun, and you will find me. Amma, wait! Amma! Forget me, Mati. It is for the best. You are the one known as Mythos the Destroyer.
And you are the queen of the Abyssinia, Tygrine. The Saw-Mao have awaited this day for centuries. Tonight, the Tygrine Empire falls.
So many of you, just for me.
We know of your magic, Queen, of your tricks. This time, you will not escape.
I do not fear death.
Then come, embrace it. Long live the suzerain. Long live the Saw.
Mati.